Jerry, thank you. Developing this afternoon, the day after the U.S. Supreme Court rejected a call to overturn the same-sex marriage law, some Ohioans are breathing easier and looking to the future. One group continues to push forward with their statewide effort to protect their rights in Ohio.
10 TV political reporter Doug Petcash shows us why voters could have the final say.
The grassroots group pushing to protect same-sex marriage and other equal rights in the Ohio Constitution sees the U.S. Supreme Court's decision as a victory, but will push ahead with their efforts.
I think myself and a lot of members of the community, of the LGBTQ community specifically, were breathing a little bit easier after yesterday's decision.
Ohio Equal Rights co-chair Lise Regula is referring to the U.S. Supreme Court's decision Monday to not reconsider its ruling in the 2015 Obergefell v. Hodges case legalizing same-sex marriage. The court denied an appeal by former Kentucky County Clerk Kim Davis. She refused court orders to issue same-sex marriage licenses in 2015 because of her religious beliefs. A federal jury ruled in favor of a gay couple against her. Regula says Ohio Equal Rights is forging ahead to enshrine protections on the state level. Volunteers are gathering petition signatures for 2 proposed amendments to the Ohio Constitution.
We need to make sure to protect these rights like marriage in ways that are more concrete than judicial precedent.
One proposed amendment would prohibit discrimination based on race, religion, sexual orientation, disability, and a dozen other categories. The other calls for the repeal of Ohio's constitutional ban on same-sex marriage.
We want people protected. Families should not be at risk based on who are the members of those families.
The group will need to collect more than 400,000 valid voter signatures for each proposed amendment to get them on the ballot. Regula says they are aiming for the November 2026 election, but staying flexible.
We recognize that we would rather have a successful campaign than be tied to a particular deadline.
If Ohio Equal Rights ultimately wants to get the 2 proposed constitutional amendments on the November 2026 ballot, they'll have to turn in the valid signatures to the Secretary of State's office by early July. Outside the State House, Doug Petcash, 10 TV.